So here we have the Cedar Summit Etherlight XT Ultralight Sleeping Pad. I have the regular length. I am 5'4". I don't need anything longer than that. And it is considered ultralight, coming in at 6.5 ounces and a 3.2 R value. The reason I bought this was because my last sleeping pad kind of died, and it was already like, I think 7 years old, had a bunch of patches. The R value was not high enough for me, and it was losing air over time during the night, so I just wanted to be comfortable. But it is self-inflating, which is really cool. I was kind of skeptical at first, and yeah, I'll show you how to set this up so that you know, and you can go get it if you like it. So here's the stuff sack. I'm gonna pull this puppy out. So it has two like sides of the stuff sack. Here's the sleeping pad. And here is the self-inflating balloon thing. So here's the female end of the valve. This is how you get the air out. Put that second layer in. That's how you put the air in. Then on this thing, you have the male end. That goes in there. So now, all we gotta do is done. Literally, all you gotta do is close it. Literally the fastest setup ever.